Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? Okay, welcome to your new class. 6th class, I am your science teacher and today we start unit number 1, the cellular organization. Unit number 1, the cellular organization. So, before the start of this chapter, we will discuss some questions. So, in this world, all the things are made up of different things. So, cell, and the topic is cell, the parts of animal cells. And the objective, recognize cells and the different parts of animal cells. Today we discuss about the cells and the different parts of the animal cells. So, you know about that. What is the cell? Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism. All the things is made up of cells. Without cells, we cannot survive. If your cells is dead, so you are dead. So, cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of organisms. Our structure is made up of cells. If cell perform functions, so we can work. So now the second topic is the inside the cell. Which things are present inside the cells? Cells are very complex. Cells are very complex. We say that cells are not simplest. Cells are very complex. They are made up of a lot of smallest parts. Cells are made up of a lot of smallest parts to help them do their job. All parts have different jobs they perform. That's why we say that cells perform different functions. So, one by one we discuss the parts of an animal cells. The first part that we discuss, that is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure that are present inside the cells. Cells are filled with a cytoplasm. Many chemical reactions take place in a cytoplasm. Many organelles are present in cytoplasm. Many chemical reactions take place in cytoplasm. This is the structure diagrams of animal cells. So, this area, all these areas are covered with cytoplasm. Many chemical reactions also take place in these areas. Okay, these are the cytoplasm jelly-like structure. Okay, so this one is a cell membrane. The outer covering, this cell have a outer covering. So these outer protections is called cell membrane. It is a thin protective layer around the cell. It controls the entry or exit into and out of the cells. If anything enter and out, these cells, inside the cells, that cell membrane allow them which things enter into the cells and which things exist into the cells. So, the major part, the brain of the cells, that is nucleus. Nucleus is the brain of the cells. All the activities are controlled by the nucleus. If cell have no nucleus, then we say that cell cannot perform because all the activities are controlled by the nucleus. And we also have a brain, like cells also have a brain, that the cell brain is called nucleus. It contains rod-shaped objects that is called chromosomes. Rod-shaped objects. They have inside the nucleus rod-shaped cells. That cells is called rod-shaped structure, that is called chromosomes. And chromosomes carry genes. Genes are hereditary material that are present on the chromosomes. So this is all about the parts of an animal cells. First we discuss about the cytoplasm, then we discuss about the cell membrane, and the third part is nucleus. In your next class we discuss about the mitochondria, ribosomes and vacuole. So now we repeat these lecture. So cell is the structural and the functional task is grab page of first term, skip one page for the tentative page of the title page of the unit number 1, and also learn these three parts of the animal cells and the definitions of animal cells, and also learn the diagrams of the animal cells and which parts are present and what is the function of each part. Okay, thank you. Allah